In a previous video, I showed you how to upload an audio file for your class to work on. Now I'm going to show you how to create an audio file if you haven't got one already prepared for them. So I'm already logged into Sanaco Anywhere. I'm just going to click the folder button here to remove that window which we don't need. And then I'm going to move to the right hand side to the little teacher hat, which will allow us to enter editor mode. Now on the right hand side you'll see this section for reset preview. We don't really need that for this particular activity, so I'm just going to move it out of the way. It just gives us a little bit more space to play with. It's easier to see. So let's give the lesson a name to start with. I'm just going to call it something obvious for now. You can leave the lesson language as British English, it doesn't make any difference for the moment. And I will just type in some instructions for the students, which I don't have to do, but I can. And then we'll move down to the recording section at the bottom. So you have all the usual audio buttons here. I'm just going to click the red microphone and just record a few questions, or I could just record some audio speech. What type of sport do you do? What do you do to keep fit? And then I can click that to pause my recording, or if I'm finished I can click the square button, and then play will allow me to listen back to my recording. What type of sport do you do? What do you do to keep fit? And then when you're happy you can upload the file to the class. So the upload button is on the right hand side. You'll need to give it a name. We'll recognize that again. And then you can check here that you're uploading it to the correct class. I've only got one class on the go, but I could choose a different one if I had created more. And then I'll upload. And once it's finished uploading, the little tick will tell you that it's done. And now we can close this. We can use the teacher hat to go back to recorder mode. And then by looking in the class again, you'll see that I've now got one lesson added to that class, and it's called My German Audio. And it's all ready for your class to access.